Then second thing you were talking about, which was heat. Heat से testosterone कम होते जा रहा है. Explain.
So heat affects the body, especially a man, like the man's genitals differently. So one, we know sperm count decreases. The aspect of testosterone decreasing right now, not 100% proved. There is a sense that it does. But it's one of those things that you need to keep aware of. Apart from that, obviously, when you're talking about heat, are you thinking about ventilation? Are you thinking about, like, when you are exercising, what's happening to your genitals, how you're taking care of it? Very often the issue is that men don't spend time thinking or talking about their genitals. मतलब वो हाँ होगा, it's almost an afterthought. हम रिसर्च के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, my company और Max and how we discuss research. हमने over the years देखा है कि men don't buy their own underwear. Do you know about this? It's a very interesting, fascinating fact.
Really?
We were doing our research and we realized that most men don't buy their own underwear. Before they are married, their mothers buy the underwear, continue buying the underwear.
क्या बात करें?
And after they are married, the wives buy them underwear. In India.
Most men you're talking
Most men. It was a fascinating research study that the underwear is not thought about only. And now you imagine your wife or your mother is buying something and expecting it to fit you. Hota hai? Like, think about it. When you were growing up, who bought your underwear? Mom bought underwear. And then...
But that's only till like when you're a kid, right? Uske baad thodi hota hai.
Some people know. It just continues that way. And some people don't change the underwear. मतलब पूरा फटा हुआ, holes, etc. क्योंकि कौन नहीं देखने वाला है. Right? So that aspect of underwear is fascinating. I found it from our consumer research that people are not shopping for it by themselves. So they're not choosing something that is designed for men. And I think understanding this is very, very critical, especially in the way that we use underwear.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.